What's up? It's Goggles. So I ended up on a little Part 107 gig, doing some analog stuff, which is actually pretty cool. So that's what this video is, and then it's looking like on the poles, I have to go fly in a storm drain, and I'm being safe about it. I would have uploaded a storm drain video, but A, I don't have anyone that'll go inside a storm drain with me right now. I mean, I do, but they're probably busy. And then 2, we've got 50% chance of storms all around us, so I don't want to get drowned while I'm trying to fly a drone for YouTube. So, yeah, we'll go. The next video will be me flying in a tunnel, somewhere underground. I don't know where. We'll find it. But yeah, let's go check out this little 107 gig. Woo! still here. Thanks for hanging out, watching my DVR trash, and doing fun stuff. Shout out to Lake Conroe Food Mart for letting me do this thing and practice like little 107 gigs and stuff. And on to the shout outs. Joe Photo Leo, Will C FPV, Bartman Dude, I hope you're doing alright, haven't seen you post in a while. Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV. By the way, Flapjack, fuck your pancakes. I love your flying. I miss having pancakes. Don't ever get a gluten allergy, because that's what happens. You just miss pancakes and stuff. I don't have any real beef with him. Dude, he flies like a bat out of hell. I love it. I just giving him a hard time about his pancakes, just because I miss him. I miss having pancakes. It sucks. Don't get a gluten allergy. Okay, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Maddie Blunts, Joshua Bardwell, XJet, RC Model Reviews, which is XJet's other channel, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, and Staceman FPV, Shaky FPV, Zoe FPV, Granny FPV, and Freedom FPV 84. I appreciate everyone watching my trashy, dirty DVR channel. I would have done this with an HD camera, but I don't have an HD camera, so that's why I opted for analog, because I mean, it's fun. It gets me out of the house, and yeah, you get to meet cool people and stuff. All right, I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys get back to y'all's awesome lives. Thanks for watching.